Now let's check back in on the Australian markets and how they're coping with this sudden crash. Joining us live now is Ed Boyd, our business reporter. Ed, can you tell us about what the impact has been on the market so far?
Annalise, markets have fallen sharper than expected this morning. The ASX 200 has opened down 3.3%, so it's worse than we were expecting today. We're now in officially what we call correction territory, which is when stocks fall more than 10% from their previous highs. Just last week, the ASX 200 was about to get to 7,200 points. Today, it's down at about 6,400 points, so it's dropped 10.3% since then. We're in correction territory. Investors seem to be hitting the panic button here over the coronavirus and the impact it's having on the global economy. Just overnight, we saw stocks in America fall very sharply. The Dow Jones dropped 4.4%, its biggest one-day fall in history. S&P 500 also fell about the same figure, and the Nasdaq fell 4.6%. So for the Dow Jones, it's been its worst week since the global financial crisis in October 2008. It's now down 11% for the week. Australian shares today, we've fallen 6 days in a row now, and today's falls have been the biggest out of those 6 days. On the local markets this morning, Commonwealth Bank is down about 3%, BHP 4%, CSL is down about 3%, Afterpay's down 12%. Webjet's down 10% and Harvey Norman's down about 8%. So there's a lot of selling off happening right now, and it's looking like a pretty tough finish to the week for Aussie shares, Annalise.
Absolute shocker. Do you think there's any light at the end of the tunnel here, or is this going to get worse before it gets better?
Look, until we really get more information about the coronavirus and it being contained, or some word of a vaccine being created or something of that nature that's going to calm down markets, we're going to see volatility for quite a while until we hear some positive news. So could be in this volatile space for the foreseeable future.
Ed Boyd, thank you for your update. We'll check in with you a little later on.